Hey guys, how's it going? How to hide reposts on TikTok. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your TikTok, okay? And basically click on your profile at the bottom right. And as you can see right here, my repost is available for anyone, right, to see. And my account is public. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the three bars at the top right, settings and privacy, go ahead to the privacy. And as you can see right here, you won't see a tool that allows you to hide reposts or make it private, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back right here, and then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and see your account right here, right? And basically go back and then go ahead to the privacy. If you make your account private, that means that you will hide your reposts, likes, comments, and all that. So this is a best second solution for now, but of course we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.